Hey, what's up guys? My name is Maximilian. I'm part of VizMaker and Viz Academy team, and in this video I'm gonna show you how in a couple of seconds we can add people or animals into our already generated images from SketchUp. As previously, we just have to firstly iterate our generation from SketchUp. So in this case, I'm gonna use already prepared interior renderings. I'm gonna press left mouse button on it, and then the only thing that I will have to do is to actually choose a preset. We can choose a couple of different presets that we already have built in VizMaker. Well, let's say that for the first one, I'm gonna use add people. And then we just have to wait a little bit. For the second one, we can actually try some activity close-up. So then we just press make again. For this one, I think that would be nice to add some blurred people so that they are actually doing something in the motion. And for the last one, I think we can also try to do the same, but that's not all. We can also add an animal. Let's say that I want to create an animal close-up. I will get this preset, but I will actually specify so that it's not going to be animal, but it will be a cat. I will press make. And that'll be all. Now we can wait a little bit for our results to finish generating. As we can see, all of our generations are already done. So now let's compare. It just literally took like 10 seconds to generate all of them. With Nano Banana 2 engine, everything is possible in just seconds. So let's compare A and compare B with the first result. I would say that looks beautiful, not because of people that it added, but just look at those details. You can see those veins popping out from under the skin. Movement in overall, I think it looks very natural. This one, I wouldn't actually be ashamed to show it in my portfolio. And let's check the next one. So for activity close-up, we can see that it actually had a hand that is taken orange, or actually maybe dropping it. So this one, in some cases, might be useful for you. Let's say that you want to create an animation of a like lifestyle in your house or in your apartment or your in design. That would be actually useful. Let's check the next one. So next one was people in motion. You can see that those people are actually doing something. So this guy is walking, this woman is walking here, and we have a guy in motion that probably is cooking something or pouring a coffee. So if you want to add some dynamic scenery to your scene or to your animation, that's a good output. And let's see the two last ones. For this one, we also added some people in motion. And in cases like this, we should usually also kind of specify how many people and what they should do in our prompt, because otherwise they'll be just blurred and kind of doing nothing. But for just a preset, I think that's a very good result. And last one, and I guess already my favorite, animal close-up. You can see that from this image we got a little detail on the table and a cat. So this cat just, yeah, I have nothing to say. Like, I love cats, and this one here just looks beautiful. Look at this fur and how fluffy it looks. Like, that would be actually tough. Besides, like, we have we can see those little artifacts here to tell that it's not a photo. So if you also want to create some sort of like animal photo shoot with your interiors, with your design, that's also another thing that you should try out. That'll be all in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, share this software to your friends, and see you in the next video.